Regis students. I hope you're really enjoying the new format and all the consistency. All the rest of the code books will be like this. It took a lot of setup to get another machine. Anyway, so when you're thinking of the iteration, all right, so what we have is executing a repeated sequence. So here's a case where initialization, we set a condition, and then we test the condition, and then we modify the step or update the control variable. All right, a lot of mumbo jumbo there, but x is the control variable. So we're not reading it from an object. We just say we're going to start at x, and then we're going to control x by x being less than 5. And then we'll print the outcome, but we'll add to x a new value. And so that is how it'll eventually be able to exit the loop. So this is called incrementing. And then you can also decrement a variable. So we could have started at 5 and counted down to 0. So the next type of iteration to finish off this section is that you understand also nesting. And so that's when you put a loop within a loop. So we see that we have 7 rows and 7 columns. And for R in range row, now this could have been any value, X, Y, they just put R for a row. All right. Usually I like to put in I for iteration. But what you have is we're going to set our conditions up top, and then we're going to process row 10 and step into row 11 by basically reading all of the values throughout the whole column before we go to the next row. So we'll be going from left to right and then going down. So that's why we put a carriage return on the bottom, just a plain print statement. So I hope these formats are working for you. They're as simple as I can make them, and they're incredibly powerful, just as you see them here. Okay, thank you.